Cade, who is that?
Hulk. No,
Superman.
Oh.
Who's on the inside though?
Oh.
Okay.
Daddy. Oh. Daddy. Oh.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Wow.
So he doesn't move his head, but you can move it forward. I highly suggest you not move the head on this one because
Yay! Let me see. Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
this looks a lot more realistic than this one because if you push it, well, for me, I think on this one, the sound.
Careful. Here, Daddy will get it. Daddy, get it. Cade. Cade. You're just eager. Say, thank you, Tita Neneng.
Tiki, Nene.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Look at Daddy. Look up at Daddy. Cade. Flying kiss.